Welcome to TLG Learning, where we turn Excel users into power users. Our Excel Level 2 course takes you to the next level of Excel, making it easy for you to handle very large amounts of data or passing data between sheets or across multiple files. You will learn how to set data validation so that other users will be notified or prevented from entering faulty data. You will create tables and see the advantages to them, and also learn how to summarize your data in various ways. You have probably heard of pivot tables, and in this class, you will learn how to create them and use them to your advantage when working with big data. This class also includes conditional formatting so that you can make cell contents, shading, or icons automatically change as the data changes. And you will also learn how to build more advanced charts and see how easy it can be for you to collaborate with coworkers in editing a file even at the same time. Visit our website, tlglearning.com, and browse our schedule and register for an upcoming class, or contact us at 425-460-2200 with any questions or to discuss scheduling a private class for your own group.